This is Satakshi Mishra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Daughters Day. Happy Daughters Day to all the wonderful daughters out there. Today is a special day for me, my family and the whole world, isn't it? So daughters are very special for everyone. And I have received इतना सारा प्यार, इतना सारा गिफ्ट्स टुडे कि मैंने सोचा इसके बारे में क्यों ना एक व्लॉग बना दिया जाए. लेट्स सी कि मुझे क्या क्या मिला और मैंने डॉटर्स डे 2020 कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया. मेरा आज का दिन इज लाइक फुल ऑफ सरप्राइजेस. कल रात के 12 बजे से लेकर अभी तक मुझे बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस मिल चुके हैं मम्मा पापा की तरफ से, मासी की तरफ से. तो मैंने अभी तक खोला नहीं है कुछ भी क्योंकि आप सबको पहले दिखाना चाहती थी, उसके बाद ही मैं देखना चाहती थी बिकॉज यू गाइज आर वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी एंड आप सब ने इतना सारा प्यार दिया है मुझे, इसलिए आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो पहले मैं इसको देखती हूँ. मम्मा पापा की तरफ से ये मिला है मुझे. सो लेट्स सी क्या है इसमें. वाओ, दिस इज अ बो बेल्ट. So I'm really loving it. Let's see कैसा लगता है ये. ये तो मेरे रेड ड्रेस के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. It will be like a Christmas combo. Isn't it? Wow, this looks really nice. I'm really happy for this. Thank you, Mama, Papa, for gifting me this special bow belt. Okay, now let me show you something else which is there inside. Wow, this is a trouser pant. The color is really nice and this is so beautiful. I'm going to try this right now after showing this all to you. And what else? Wow, this is a cute tops. Wow, this is so nice. This looks really nice, beautiful one. Thank you Mama Papa for gifting me these special things. See, इसका साइड में ये जो वर्क है ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Really nice. Thank you so much. And let's see what else is there. Okay, so here I have a beautiful packaging of a product. I don't know ये क्या है. ये something Melifiona. So let's see what's there inside this. ये भी मम्मा पापा की तरफ से ही है. So आवाजें आ रही है जो वाली. My favorite red color. Okay. So something is there inside. A cute note. Wow, there's a cute note. Thank you so much. Dear Satakshi, thank you so much for shopping with us. Enjoy the surprise gift. Thank you so much. Melifiona, this is a really amazing thing. Okay, I have 2 studs inside this. So this is a really nice thing. 2 little cute studs which is very very cute. I'm gonna wear them also from Melifiona. And wow, this is an amazing bow belt. Again, red color. So I'm loving this cute little bow belt. I'm loving this one. Isn't it too good? I'll wear it afterwards. It matches with my dress. Red color bow belt is something very special because I love red color. So let's put it inside. Now I'm going to show you some more things. Okay, now this is a Brian and Candy Cocoa Shea Body Essentials. So I have this one. Let's see what is there inside. This is not a gift from my mama papa. This is from someone else. This is a gift hamper basically. So let's see. Gift from my fans and from people who love me is really special for me. So this is one of them and I'm loving it. Okay, so we have a Brian and Candy New York Cocoa Shea moisturizing hand and body lotion. It is enriched with cocoa butter and shea butter. Okay, so you can see this. And next thing we have here, Brianne and Candy New York Cocoa and Shea Bath and Shower Gel. So this is it. The bottle looks really nice. And yeah, we have a Cocoa Shea Sugar Body Scrub. Body scrub is very essential, and cocoa flavor is my favorite, so I'm gonna try this for sure very soon, and I'm gonna give the feedback too. So you can see the package is very nice. And so now I have some chocolates. So you can see this pack is my favorite. I mean, I really love Lotte Choco Pie so much, and my papa has gifted me this one. And I am a very much chocolate freak, so I am dying to taste this because बहुत time हो गया मैंने chocolate नहीं खाया था because I was in diet. But now I'm gonna try this all. And you know what? I have a cute little chocolate hamper. You can see कितना cute है with a very cute bow here, and there are many chocolates here inside, so I'm gonna taste them all and try them all कि किसका flavor कैसा है. So yeah, and I have some really nice things here inside, jewelries. So these are the gifts from my Masi. So thank you Masi for gifting me this. She always says that Shreya is my first daughter, so she has gifted something special in this. So let me show you one by one. Let me open this one. Products are super cute and super amazing. Thank you so much for all these amazing stuff. Very nice jewelries. They have a really good collection, guys. Please do check Sanskriti Boutique. I'll give the link of Sanskriti Boutique in the description box. Please do check them out. So आज डॉटर्स डे स्पेशल बिरयानी बनाए हमारे घर पे, बिकॉज बिरयानी इज़ माई फेवरेट. ये बिरयानी घर पे बना है और पापा मम्मा ने मिलके बनाया है मेरे लिए स्पेशली. सो आई एम लविंग इट. अरे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो मुझे?
देख तो सही क्या सरप्राइज है.
ये सरप्राइज है, ये सरप्राइज है,
With the
ये
footrest.
सरप्राइज है।
अरे वाह।
बैठ जा एक बार
एक
बैठ
मिनट। Footrest को एकदम खड़ा हो गया। चलो। Thank you so much. Okay. So. गिर गया। Thank you so much.
ओके, और ये तुम्हारे लिए हैप्पी डॉटर्स डे,
Wow!
वर्ल्ड बेस्ट डॉटर।
Best daughter in the world. I am overwhelmed with joy today to receive such a beautiful award from my parents, which is the Best Daughter in the World award. It's like a dream come true, and I'm really grateful and glad to have such parents with me. Like मेरे पापा मम्मा मेरी जान है, and you know what? सबके पेरेंट्स हर किसी के लिए स्पेशल होते हैं, इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे लिए मेरी लाइफ लाइन है। एंड यू नो दिस अवार्ड इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट। लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि ऐसा कौन सा अवार्ड है सताक्षी जो तुमने रिसीव किया हो और वो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ही मेमोरेबल है या बहुत ही क्लोज टू योर हार्ट है। सो दिस इज द वन जो कि मैंने आज रिसीव किया है फाइनली। अब लग रहा है कि हाँ कुछ तो बन चुकी हूँ मैं लाइफ में, जो कि मेरा पहला एम्बिशन था टू बिकम अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, जो कि अब लग रहा है कि मम्मा पापा मुझे मानते हैं कि मैं एक गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग हूँ। एंड ऑफ कोर्स और भी बहुत कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल्स आने बाकी हैं लाइफ में, बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है, लेकिन आई एम वेरी ग्लैड फॉर दिस। थैंक यू पापा। Thank you, Mama. Just now I have received some of the other PR packages which I'm gonna quickly show you. So these are some amazing face masks which I have received from Crimson Club. Thank you Crimson Club for such beautiful face masks. And let me just quickly show you this. These are very comfortable. These are the comfy masks and you can wear anytime, anywhere. So itching नहीं होगा and irritation नहीं होगा. So these are very comfortable and these are pretty much blue printed. So I'm loving it. Let me just show you another one. Really nice. I am in love with these products. Really nice products.